All right, let me make this progress video for 27th September. This is the master bathroom. The plumber was supposed to be here today to fix the stuff, but he didn't show up today. Yesterday too, he didn't show up. After he promised to be here, he didn't show up. But Yao said he called this morning that he will be here tomorrow. This is the wardrobe area for the master bedroom. So this is the bedroom. The birds that we got rid of have come back again. They are remaking the nest. We have to get rid of it again today. Hopefully the windows man will be here by the weekend. That's the promise he gave me. So I hope he will keep his promise. He said he was done before the framing work and he was cutting the windows starting Thursday. And so we are waiting for him to be here. All right. And this is Safu's room. This is Safu's room. Safu's room. Safu's bathroom. Everything has been fixed except the niche. They will tile in there, and the toilet. They will put the distance in there. And it's the water mechanism thing is broken. I have to go and look for one for him. Probably from Kantamanto. My auntie is saying I'll get some at Kantamanto, or I have to buy one from US and bring it back. This is the other room by Safu. There's another bird nest here. And this is the wardrobe area of that room. And this is their bath. There was an issue with the thing not fitting, so they removed the tiles. And he claims what he has done now, everything will fit, the plumber. So the toilet has also been fixed. We are missing, I think, 6 vanities for this house. 6 vanities. This is the closet room. Going to the first bedroom by the stairs. This is the corridor area, the family sitting area. Guys, they have to put some of the POP Andre on this thing so that it won't stand out as it is now. That's what they promised doing. This is where we have most of our stuff. So these are the toilets that are going downstairs. This is the closet area for this bath. The bath and everything has been fixed. We're waiting for the closet water thing to be done. This is the wardrobe area. And this is the room. One of the workers is staying in here. So this is the stairs going down. You have to hurry. The tilers, they moved to the basement today. They started doing the basement. This is the office. I think I've seen it numerous times. The kitchen. This is the kitchen area. Mama Wajuma, and they are tough to do, right? That is where the gas line will be for the LPG gas to sit outside. This is the storeroom. The storeroom. So the niche. I'm trying to do a video for my wife. She's up. Now, put the door back. So this is the visitor bathroom. The plumber needs to be here to take care of this thing. So yeah, has put the door back. This is Andre guys, they are almost done with their work here. This is the half bath. This is the garage bedroom now. Almost done. They are not done with the tiling. They have to do this thing and the bottom, and they are done. This is the electrical room. This is the electrical room. Electrical room. These are the electrical gadgets. Let's go to the basement where they are starting. So this is the basement. Yeah, they have a lot of stuff. By one man. So because by one man, we are going to say, kitchen. Here. This is the bedroom. This is the bath. We have an issue here. How to, I don't know how we are going to put something on here for glass or something for them to shower. So the basement tiling has started. Yeah, they have a lot of stuff. These guys. Guys have done the Andre work in all the windows on this side. All the windows on this side has been done. The sun is all over my eyes. Yeah, I was dressing how the thing. We've run out of the cement is almost done. We only have 20 bags of cement left. But look at the tiles that are still sitting here to be used. 20 bags of cement left. Here's the gate. Yeah, I was redressing the top here that was cut off for the door. So that's it. To do some dressing work here. Did not do dressing on this window. Ben and his people didn't do dressing. Now with the tiling, you still have to do some dressing works. So this is the back here that we have to do, what do you call it? Concrete work. We filled it and taken a level. So here we have to do concrete work all the way to go to the end of this office to get a level. That means you have to do stairs here to climb up, and also to the bath, to the kitchen. Sorry. I started his dressing. So that's it for today.